Hello again, my precious. This is a new video on my channel, and today our topic will be pretty easy, so please let's not wait for too long. Let's just start. Підсилюючі слова. Emphatic words. So, such. So let's try to understand what it is. Вивчимо правило. Let's learn through. So, emphatic words, so, such, підсилюючі слова, такий, така, таке, такі. So, the emphatic words, такий, така, таке, такі, emphasizes the attribute of quality of another adjective. So, it emphasizes another adjective. It agrees with the letter in gender, case, and number. So, it means that if our adjective is in grammatical masculine, we use, and singular, we use такий. For example, такий гарний чоловік, such a nice man. If our adjective is grammatical feminine, we use така. Така гарна жінка, such a nice woman. If this adjective is in grammatical neuter, таке гарне місто, such a nice city, we use таке. If it is plural, we use такі. For example, такі гарні міста, such nice cities. So, let's see the examples. Така гарна дівчина, such a nice girl. Він такий же розумний, як і його друг. He is as clever as his friend. We use такий, така, таке, такі in comparisons. As, такий, як. Таке тепле літо. Such a warm summer. Звідки в тебе такі босоніжки? Where do you get such sandals? So, that's pretty easy. Така, feminine, такий, masculine, таке, neuter, такі, plural. So, let's go to exercise.
Така, як ти, буває раз на все життя.
Потренуємося. Let's do the exercise. It's pretty easy. Let's put такий, така, таке, такі into the sentences according to their gender. So, чому ти blank сумна? Why are you so sad? Сумна. We see that it's grammatical feminine. About the gender of adjectives and nouns, you can watch my other videos, so you will better understand it. So that's why we will put there чому ти така сумна? Why are you so sad? So stop this video, do this exercise, and then we will check. Відповіді. Answers. So, I have done this exercise for you. Let's check. First one. Чому ти така сумна? Why are you so sad? We see that сумна here is grammatical feminine, so we use the adjective така. So, we are addressing to a girl or a woman here. Сьогодні такий чудовий день. Today is such a wonderful day. Чудовий here, grammatical masculine, we use такий. Павло не такий, як усі. Павло is not as anybody else. So, Павло here, a noun. It is grammatical masculine, so we use такий. And here is a comparison, and as I told you, we use such emphatic words in comparisons. It's translated like as. Такий, як. Number 4. Подивись, небо таке блакитне. Look, the sky is so blue. Небо, sky, it's grammatical neuter, like the adjective блакитне, it's grammatical neuter, so we use таке. And we remember that adjectives that denotes that describes the noun, they are in the same gender and in the same number and grammarly the same as the noun. So that's, and this emphatic words is the same as the noun and an adjective. So it's grammatical neuter. Таке. В Миколи такі сильні руки. Микола has such strong hands. Руки, plural. Сильні руки, strong hands, plural adjective. So we use такі, plural form. У Ірини сьогодні така модна сукня. Irina today has such a fashionable dress. Again, модна, feminine, така модна. We use така. Моє рідне місто не таке велике, як Київ. My native city is not as big as Kiev. Again, we compare. So, and місто grammatical neuter, so we use таке. В цій родині такі сильні традиції. In this family, such strong traditions. So, traditions here plural, сильні plural. So we use the form такі, plural form. So I hope everything is clear for you. If it's not right, means the comments, and I will try to explain once more to you. It will be easier if before you watch my videos about gender of adjectives, gender of nouns, and it will be much easier for you. So do it. This is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you enjoyed it immensely, like me have enjoyed doing it. I hope everything was understandable for you, everything was clear. So don't forget to give this video a huge thumb up, subscribe to this channel not to miss any other videos, and don't forget to leave me questions in the comments if you don't understand anything, or don't forget to leave your ideas in the comments about other videos. I will do everything for you, and let's see each other next Friday. Bye bye.